Menteri Rangba Ka Jylla kunrat ki sangma mentakasngi ulapan benapat ba halor ka Jingplie no ka Jingti ki Tieh Dewïong hakaru kompania da ka Jing Start Science Hapoh Ka Jylla hakabaya ka ne ka Tieh Dewïong lakhang da ki babun snem Hapoh Ka Jylla Meghalaya ula ong bakalong ka sngi ka bansa jingkan mau ya ka Jylla hi barok ka wei ya ka Jing yolat ban pli ya ki Tieh Dewïong na ka benta ka Jing mentoy jong ki ba ka Jylla ki bamat ya ka Jing ka bakrau da ka babun teli ki snem ya ka Jing khang Tieh Dewïong hakisnem ki bamenshwa lingbada ka Jing tresh tom ka Sorkar Jylla bar ka Jing kersan ka bana ka Sorkar pedeng lala ban weng no ya ka Jing jong ki ba bar ki trai jong ki Tieh Dewïong shushu ula kerpat ru ki trai Tieh Dewïong laki dei ki barit ne ki bahe bakin apply no ki license jong ki bakin yo ban sedang no ka Jing pentrei habarok ka wei ka Jylla.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.